Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini long ki khubor bam ta kasngi. Men hagan riutrik uyayong kadi kasngi kerpang jong angut ki MLA uba Kevin Miguel Melim ngam na sora constituency bat uba Banti Dorlingdo na mau kenro constituency ban ya Pyllait San shyieng ya Kasamla People Democratic Front Party bat banet ya tho bat Kasamla thamai ka National People Party. Kate ke jungya tho shongkurim la penya tho do konrat ke sangma president ke NPP bat uba prestun ten song vice president NPP ya kabala pelong haying kemi NPP kabadan halo wala chimia. Karai jong ka jungya te kular shongkurim sya ke NPP kalayathu baki bu kendon sos kular ha ke jingkular bala clay da ke PDF ha ke election manifesto arhajar arpulai bakin longno ka way ya kabala pensngo da u general secretary PDF uba auspicious lingdo. National President ke NPP bat Menteri Rangba ke Jela Konrad ke Sangma ulayadon lang hagani ke sengisa jingkan mau haringkat bat ki para bea trailang tata Vice President ke NPP bat sembut Menteri Rangba ba Prestun Tensong sembut Menteri Rangba ba Snyau Bahalang Dhar ki Menteri Sorkar kong Emprin Lingdo Coming One Amban Marcus Marang bat ki nong yalam bat nong trei ke NPP. Hagani kasngi laya soiru ya kasos kular ya benram merger document hapdeng kini ki artli ki parti ki badon ya khatwei tli ki man. U president ka PDF bat MLA ka sora ba Kevin M Melim ula ong bakarai ban benrap lang kade uso jong ka jingtrei kam hapo ka jingelam u menteri rangba Konrad ki sangma bat ka sorkar MDA ka bala pensngo thu yangi ya ka Meghalaya ka ba khamba hapo jong u. Namar kadai ha ka jingelam jeng UCM bangilayu i ya ka Meghalaya ka bakhamba ki briu kila ban keno shibun ki ek ri hadien bangilaya kren bar kinong kershan jengi ngila shim ya ka rai ka badai e ong uba Kevin
kabangai i hadin menda ka tu kan ni benai bakani ka jingja kawan balen shop biang ka jiot jong kinong rap ki jongi ka widai bat ka jing herdor biang jong usensar agapor banga shimti mga ban pelong marap yu sensar ngakhat ye kiduki maruri baro pelong daga jelang hapo conference hapo sekretariat ban ngaong yeki ba ngila pelong marap himdan kam ban siu tax chu hapo dis council kani ka bisa baro tap shikinong rep ba usensar upoi shispa arpo shispa laipo shkilo dainam daina andai ka basusi kalong menta ba usensar ulah hiador biang ban manakini kadang dapat biang kum MLA ba nakajugupor kum advisor jongka tanat agriculture bat ngangit scam bagilay don lang ringkat kum ni kani kala mga kalalong kaway bat ngin ay tre ngin nila lang nakabanda ka dito kaway na ka ba kinong rep kiut election galadap milay wanum ya patsu mo ipi iklan no nasiyong ini kentir ako por election ngini kawe la gajong kalama ri ladap election ngini klan no kabangan ko aban ong ipin ni kamtam ka election hapo mau konro ka de ba shit ba kila sutu hi kila tipa kawe dei bat kada wise po bat ngong ipin nga aloy ngadi agriculture minister tambah katu por kalaya election milay ngihap bani pininya ngihap bani khun na benta jung do nakabenta ban biat ban biang unong rap jongi umdai nakabenta jong asiman umdai nakabenta jong ba berstur umdai nakabenta jong sorka umdai nakabenta jong nong rap dipat katai ka dawai spo ngong ipi kabau nong rap uut deki pau nam ngila wan ra biang ngila yo ban pemi biang ya notification nakabenta bagin ai biang kani ka dawai spo jadi ke yuria tu giwi syakinong rap Henry ngasukerpan ani ke power kajing dan langjong usiam bat kumju nagaliang jong ikaw ngamprin ba kumnongin kam streamline no ya kani kabenta ba kinyo lang ringkat baro kanum don shu kajing debla bat kanum don ka manipulation kabide bat kadawais bo kabangi penpoy menta hapo mikofen kaba nagaliang gajonga ladap hiso don kam so ba khot lang ngini karan lang ini ajumut lang nang ba kinong rep jong ikinum sofa kini isi siya bagani ka government hapo ka jingalam jong chief minister ka NPP led government kan le ia isi siya na benda state ka bayit ka jong ni namar nga ong ipi ban shim kat kani galis kam dai ka besuk hapo is kasil NPP ka kam job bon ka job duna si ngano mo ngru tang mamantang ilawan mangi armut lalong kano lalong sa kita ngitre lang na saw kala banlong siya pralan ni kala banlong siya si Paulo nabi ongom no na Henry lada nibdan ka jingitre nakabanda ka bit ka biyang jong pagpapa na nito ipigi pagpa na siya kit sa perkhat na kumay Henry kay ka bang iwan kalong begini tray lang begini perkhat lang nakabentaban penklan yang ni parti
lasa stang bat samut ki MLA jong parti bat nilai khun ye election MDC ngem simlala ban job nilai job tang ye kawai ke constituency bat haga election chwa ban poi ke election general election arja khat khandai sa armut ki wei pat ki MLA kilha ban mino anak parti nilas nang stu jingkermen bat kalapin artatin yashibon kinong yalam jong parti nasgoban ay kublay terbang ru ikinong kitkam bat ki nong kersan ki jonga na mauplang constituency hawat mengaruh hadin ke election na mauplang hadin ke election MDC kilaw yang imat kala ethan mapindang yakun biang naga parti PDF kilawang yang ba ngladai ban perkhat no ada kumai ban perkhat mai ladangan yakun ya ke general election house na marja khatra tinrai kum ka parti na kapor sa kapor nilai kren nilai ya perkhat kumno nginya chaprang hapadeng gijinge hinrai da ka jinga aimen sim jong kini ki angut ki MLA kerpang iba bantai dor lingdo bat iba Gavin Miguel William kibalong kinongelam jong ka parti arngut kibakum ka parti ngila paikmat sei habaro akipor ba kumno kini kin simrai ladon ka jingi kren biar tu partu general election kaladon ka jingi kren ba imat kini ki jongi bro arngut ru imat kin samino bani kun na ka parti tikum kinong kitkam ngilai kren bat ki tinrai ka basmau tenat kalau kalong ba kiong nginang don bat ka parti nginang trash tom sagani ko wek election hapadeng gijing no mensim hapadeng gijing do jikrman tinrai ngin persang ladaw pai ba udang paikmat sa ka parti ka jongi ngin saya berkat hadin ke election MLA.
I'm not a very religious man, but I always believe that everything that happens for a reason and happens because it is planned from above. And therefore this moment when this particular merger is taking place, I would like to thank God for having guided us and shown us the way and brought us to this moment. At this very moment, I take this opportunity to welcome Shri Gavin William, the MLA of Sora constituency and was the president of the PDF, Shri Bantedor Lingdo, our MLA from Makunriu constituency and the working president of the PDF, Auspicious Lingdo, the General Secretary of the PDF, all the other office bearers, members of the EC, and all the other members of the PDF who have come here today to merge and to be part of the family of the National People's Party. As the National President of the party, I take this opportunity on behalf of every single member of the National People's Party across the country. I take this opportunity to very warmly welcome each and everybody and each and every one of you to the family of the NPP. Welcome to the National People's Party. As Ba Preston said, that today is the wedding ceremony. But let me tell you, the love story started long time back. For the last 5 years, we have been romancing, I should say. And that's simply because we get along. We see things from the same perspective. But due to different circumstances, we did not get the clearance, and other states also did not get the clearance to operate chartered flight. Hence, we had to use the commercial flights being brought in by Government of India, and huge challenges we faced. Yesterday, our team, in fact, was up till 3 a.m. in the morning, because that's when the children reached their homes. My team was coordinating till 3 a.m. in the morning. Again, got up at 5 in the morning and still working. Just before coming to this meeting, we were having a program and meeting in my house to review the situation. 40 students come today. Another 40 will come tomorrow. And we are trying to work to make sure that we are able to bring back almost all of them by tomorrow. This is what the government is doing. But let me just share as a family that today we are lucky that the National People's Party has 7 MLAs in Manipur. We are lucky today that our organization is very strong in Manipur. Even from the government side, whatever government is doing, we are proud to tell you that the National People's Party today is able to help our students who are stuck in Manipur today. If it was any other political party, with due respect to them, who are from Meghalaya, they would not be able to provide the kind of support that this family of the National People's Party today is able to provide. And many, many more supports will be given in the coming days. I don't want to talk too much about it because those are slightly internal matters of the government also. But I want to share with you that this is the kind of support and the network that we get by being in a party which is at the national level, but a party having national level yet having a regional outlook and taking up issues of the regional issues that we have. And hence this is what the National People's Party is today. And let me tell you, I am excited that today with the joining and the merging